Hello everybody, hopefully you guys are having a good day today. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do a foraged item, similar to fireflies, except it's not really fireflies. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so if you want to make a foraged item, you're going to need certain things. You are going to need a button. And then the next thing you need is an item granter. And then you are going to need a prop of your choice. Preferably something that you could probably make an item out of. So let's take this trash bin for example, for the rusty cans that were shown earlier in this video. Okay, so now that you've got your three things, the button, the item granter, and the prop, now we are going to be using the rusty cans. Now insert as many of the items as you want to be grabbed. Okay. Now in here, we set this to keep all, and okay, we don't want it to give it extra ammo, just make sure of that. And then for the button, we gotta make sure that this can only be used one time, or else you'll have all kinds of stuff going around. Now you can choose whether or not you can have the trigger sound, but I choose it. Now for the text, use something unique that is for your item that you are getting. So I am going to type in grab some trash. Okay, visible during game, we do not want that. Now for the interaction radius, you're going to make sure that it's at least bigger than the prop itself. So what I would usually do is like check to see if this is it. And that looks good. So now we are going to place it there. Okay, now we have all of the things in place. Now all we need to do is set up the channels. And just to make sure, I gotta make sure. Okay, so in my case, I have to use channel 5. So when interacted, put that on channel 5. And grant item on channel 5. And that should be it. Also, for things like this, where you don't want the prop itself to go away, you could just multi-select, and then, okay, maybe don't set that to drop. So just place this around the place. And yeah, let's hop into a game and see how this works out. Okay, so now if we walk up to any of the trash cans and then interact, we should get our rusty cans. And it says infinite because I have infinite ammo on here. But if I open up my inventory, it shows 9 because I searched the 3, and 3 times 3 is 9, so yeah. Okay, so now we are going to go into if you want to do particle effects as your items. Okay, so right here I have created a Rift to Go consumed item thing. And yeah, so you see here I have 2, and they're all linked to the same channel, which is an issue because if I go up to this one, the other one disappears. But if I go up to this one that I haven't interacted with, I can still interact with it. So clearly we're going to need to change a few things. Okay, so now that we're back in edit mode, what I'm going to do is copy the Rift to Go item granter and then set it to a channel that I haven't used, and for this case it will be 6. Okay, now that I have set the second Rift to 6, let's see if our issue has been resolved. Okay, so here are our 2 Rift to Go's here, And now that we've set one to channel 5, the other one still stays. And this one's set to channel 6, so let's just grab that. And yeah, that's how you do consumed items, or like a Firefly jar type item. You know, I don't really have a good name for it, so you can choose whatever name you want. But yeah, that'll be it for the video. This is Starwise, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!